Hi, I am Rajesh Gurule, and we are discussing various questions with respect to my new offering, that is performance based consulting for real estate industry, especially for builders and developers. The question is, sales training for our existing or current sales executive is fine, current marketing executive, that is fine, they will get trained, but what when we will hire new employees, new sales executive? So in that case, how that training part will be done? Because already we are, let's say 3 months down, into the training, and all those previous three training sessions have been done for current team, and we hired 3 new people. So how can that be done? There are 2 ways we are going to do that. The very first thing is, I am having all these sessions recorded with me. So your new hire will be attending the live session that we will be conducting, and in addition to that, because instantly he is not going to go and attend customers, so he will or she is going to have ample time. So one of his activities will be to undergo all those training recordings that we are having in our membership vault. There is an e-learning format where videos are there, where ebooks are there, but more than that, there are tests after each and every module. How much that person understood, how much he grasped, if he or she is having any questions or queries about whatever topic is there. So all that training, the training material and training test, those are going to be available for your new sales and marketing executive. So that will take care of the part of the training that has been conducted before they joined. The moment they join, from that moment onwards, whatever live trainings are going to be there, they will be attending that. In addition to this, I'll be conducting once in every month some special sessions only for these new hires, new sales executive. So that will help them in coming up to the speed with your existing sales people. That is the way we are going to do that. So I hope I answered your question. Still, if you are having any doubt, any concern, please feel free to ask me. You can ask me via phone, messages or email, or you can ask me the question when we are going to meet in person. Looking forward to meet you very soon. Thank you for watching this. Have a great day and happy selling.